To insert a SIM card in a Motorola Moto G15, first we'll need to take a look on the left side of our device. Here is a SIM tray. Now you need to grab something like a SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right here. Then push on it until the slot is opened. Now we can remove it. Put it aside, and then our phone as well. Now you need to grab your SIM card and put it in one of the slots. If you have two SIM cards, then you can insert them both. So my SIM card is in, and now all we have to do is put that entire SIM tray inside of our device. Like so. And then push it in, close it, unlock your SIM card, and that is everything.